How old is your baby?
My oldest is 27.
Get out of here. How the fuck are you guys so young?
The LA air.
No, it's not the LA air. It's the LA fucking sergeant. You look incredible. You either have a good surgeon or you sleep in the freezer every night. Okay, kids, I go to the freezer again. Like, how old I am? Are you single? You are? I mean, do I have to support your 27-year-old kid? How old do you think I am? 50? You think I'm 50 years old? Buddy, change lighting. Something is not making sense. You think I'm 50? I gave you all the compliment. You look beautiful. You're so young. Oh my God, I can't believe you have a 27-year-old.